Halakha says that the Shabbat is over when there's 3 medium stars that come out. That means technically in the olden days, a person would go outside the street, look up the sky, if he sees 3 medium stars, it's dark enough, the Shabbat is over. However, the Halakha says we don't know what medium stars are anymore today. We don't know between a medium star and a not medium star, so they say find 3 small stars. Because by the time you find 3 small stars, that means it must be very dark. And therefore, you know already the Shabbat is over, but there's a mitzvah to be mosif, mechol el HaKodesh. The halakha in Baghdad, for example, the Ben Ish Chai says they used to wait 37 minutes after sunset, which means they said that they would wait, initially he said, shlish sha'ah after the mugrab. The mugrab would be 7 minutes after sunset, and 20 minutes after the mugrab would be 27 minutes. But then he says they would wait 30 minutes after the mugrab, so therefore that would be 37 minutes. In Syria, it seems, in Aleppo, they would wait 35 minutes after sunset. But you have to remember, those were places where the sun would set very quick, and would get dark very fast. Here, in America, after 20 minutes or 30 minutes after sunset, you really can't see stars yet. It's still light. So then the Achamim said in America, or New York I should say, New York, New Jersey, it's about 42 minutes. However, there is an opinion of Rabbeinu Tam that says that you should wait 72 minutes. There's the opinion of HaRav Eli Yosef as well, that he says that since Shabbat is very serious, one should try to keep 72 minutes after sunset before he does Melacha, at least before he does Melacha Deoraita. Rabbi Massas in Tevuot Shemesh argues on HaRav Eli vehemently. It says in Eretz Israel there's no such thing as Rabbeinu Tam. He says Rabbeinu Tam made it 72 minutes for Europe, for outside of Israel, but not in Israel because the sun sets very quickly. HaRav Eli answers back, and he says no. Rabbeinu Tam's opinion was said on Rabbi Yehuda lived in Eretz Israel, so there's a big back and forth. The Maaseh, Rav Moshe held, Moshe Feinstein, that if you hold 15 minutes in New York, it's like 72 minutes of Rabbeinu Tam in Europe. So there's many opinions. Clearly, one should not end the Shabbat before 35 minutes. That's what they do in Sha'ar Zion. They do 35 minutes, but that's cutting it pretty early. Some say 42, some say 50, some say 72. Everybody should ask his Rav what the proper shiur should be. But everybody agrees that one should be mosif a little mechol el HaKodesh. The last question would be like this. Let's say somebody follows Rabbeinu Tam, 72 minutes. Can he listen to Havdalah that's made before Rabbeinu Tam? Many times in the Bet Knesset, they're making Havdalah 45 minutes after sunset. But the guy starts half hour more. He's allowed to listen to the Havdalah, and it can be Yotzeh the Havdalah, even though it's still Shabbat for him. Doesn't matter. He waits the time, 72, then he can go do Melacha. Of course, if they invite him to make the Havdalah, he cannot light the candle, because it's still Shabbat for him. But he can say, no issue to put your fingers next to a candle like that. And therefore, Shlomo Zalman Auerbach writes that although you're following the Rabbeinu Tam, you can still make the Kiddush, make the Havdalah, or hear the Havdalah from somebody that is before the Kiddush.